Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic video. And the table topic for today is uh, the table topic for today is what is important enough to go to war over? What is important enough to go war over? What is important enough to war? First thing that I'm not expert on what is worth going for war and what is not. But what I will do is I will just put out my perspective that how do I think about it. The way I think about it is what is important enough to go war. War is a very extreme situation where we indulge, uh, where we would like to indulge at the last resort. And uh, honestly, I think there are very few scenarios where it is might be important enough to go for a war. At the till the last resort, we should identify the solution that how can we not indulge in a war, because if you indulge in a war then it is uh, both sides lose. We will go back few years, the all think about all the money that all the human life that we will sacrifice in war, or all the money that will be spent. What could be done with that money? That money can provide employment to the people. That the money can help the country rise faster. The money, because without war, like I don't see much benefit going to war over. So my opinion is we should try avoid war at any cost. Even if it comes to that, there can be uh, a few things we should keep in mind. That one is when it comes to the sovereignty of a nation, then we should take a stand. And although we should try to not indulge in a war, but when it comes to that, the sovereignty of nation, we must do the needful. We will go to war, battles, anything at any cost to defend our nation. That's my take. Thank you. Over to you.